Hello, 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 my lovely friends. Christine Janie here, talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. Hope you're having an awesome day. As in the next segment, I'm sharing with you a beautiful, beautiful invitation. Yes, of course, because today is a Winning Wednesday kind of invitation day. How about that? And don't you just love this beautiful weather as I stand before you in this beautiful, beautiful day today, as you can share with you how awesome this day is today. I mean, hey, who wouldn't want to have today to be a Winning Wednesday? And as I share with you the next segment, I want to say one thing. And I ask you a question before I carry on to the next segment. Do you have decent, honest, decent engagement on your Facebook page? Are you getting really right traffic? Especially if you're a newbie. Okay, if you're new to the marketing world, as I have been only 2 years in. Or if you're a seasoned marketer, are you having problems getting decent engagement on your Facebook page so you can get some good, honest, organic traffic? Well, I tell you one thing, with the next segment, I send an invitation to you on this beautiful platform, a successful solution method. Our webinar tonight is going to be an awesome webinar explaining the beautiful platform, especially now that our wonderful, beautiful community is 11 weeks old. As well, we're having some wonderful, decent commissions coming on. A phenomenal decent commissions at $50,000 so far this week, which is amazing. And so I share this with you today because this is a beautiful newbie-friendly platform that's going to help you excel in your engagement, get those decent organic traffic coming to your page so you can get on and build your business threefold, guys. I tell you that now. And I wanted to share this with you now because remember, give me a like, comment, share this video out as well, and subscribe, my lovely friends. Subscribe to my channel too, as I carry on with some wonderful tips and strategies on online marketing too. And of course, click the bell so you can get the next notification of my next video, which will be tomorrow as well. And I wanted to really get this out today for you, my lovely friends, because in the next segment it shares all the information you like. And down below in the description, more information all about the link to Successful Solution Method, as well as our Facebook group, which is an awesome group. Come pop on by and take a part of the conversation. Plus, my lovely friends, my Facebook page link is down below as well. Come on over, check out my wonderful engagement that I'm getting on a daily basis, and let's see you there to chat and talk as well. So, my lovely friends, let's carry on to the next segment. See you on the other side to success. I love y'all. Bye. Hello, my beautiful friends. How y'all doing today? Let's start with a beautiful view on this beautiful Wednesday. And I'm going to call this Winning Wednesday as I wait to see who all's going to come on and say hello. Let's just take a look at the beautiful, beautiful day here on the west coast of BC. And I miss Etta saying, good morning to you all. Good morning to you all, she says. Good morning to you all. That's what I want to share today at the moment. I'm not sure who else going to come on and say hello, but let's take a look at this anyways, because I thought this would be a nice day to share this today. What do you think, eh? Okay, I have one person saying hello. I hope you enjoy this beautiful day so far, as I call this my Winning Wednesday. Hello. It's Christine Trainer talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. As I'm in the shade because it's sunny here and I've got these prescribed glasses. That's the reason why it's like that. And I'm excited for today. Why am I excited for today? I want to share with you something that sort of helped me continue to become more active online. Hey Ed, how you doing, dude? Help me become more, get more engagement online. I'm in a platform that helped me get from cricket engagement to really good engagement that has doubled in size this past 11 weeks. And I'm excited about that because I'm a part of a platform that helps me do that, with a community of people that continue to excel in all their engagement online. Because believe it or not, I do believe engagement is the key. Once you start to have good, decent engagement with excellent, wonderful value posts, you're going to have better traffic coming to your page, especially as you work online, right? And this is my key topic today, as I'm calling this again by Winning Wednesday. Why? Because this platform is on fire. Hey, whoever's coming on to say hello, I'm pleased that you're coming on. And don't forget this, my lovely friends, as you're watching this, where are you tuning in from? And if you check this out later on today, of course, hashtag replay, as I really carry on and share this little, shall we say, chat today on top of the world for me today on my balcony here in the New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. And today is an amazing day, guys. An amazing day. Because for today, Winning Wednesday, and an amazing week is happening. We're getting phenomenal payouts right now, commissions galore. Because this week alone, in our platform, we've had $50,000 in commissions. That's how beautiful this platform is. Because you know what? If you are teachable, if you are coachable, and you want to excel, whether you're new or seasoned marketer, if you want to excel and take your business to the next level, this platform is amazing. I kid you not, for me, it's amazing. I love the fact that my engagement is doubling. Yes, hey Michelle, how you doing there, girl? And that's the part of the beauty of the platform on. I mean, $50,000 alone in commission so far this week. Yes, and that's 11 weeks in on this beautiful community. And if you love just simple step-by-step instructions, you're going to do as well as I'm doing so far. And all our members in our community, simple step-by-step instructions, the simple ABCs, how to get good engagement in line, to help build your business, to help take it to the next level, shall we say. That's important. And tonight, as I call this, again, Winning Wednesday, I am inviting you all, my lovely friends, to attend with me a beautiful webinar that explains this beautiful platform. And with all the beautiful winning members, they're going to share, hey Jay, how you doing? Share beautiful, beautiful testimonials on how they're winning with this beautiful platform I'm on today. So, and that being said, this beautiful webinar is at 7 p.m. tonight, Eastern, I think 6 p.m. Central, as well as 4 p.m. my time, which is Pacific time. And that is going to be a phenomenal webinar, because last week we had 340 attendees. This week we're shooting for 400 attendees. Yes, that's how much of a Winning Wednesday it is today. Yes, today. I get excited because I love Wednesdays. I love webinar Wednesdays. I love Winning Wednesdays. I love the fact that $50,000 in payouts this week on this beautiful platform. I'm thankful that all our members, as well as I, are getting excellent engagement for good organic traffic, leading them come to enjoy my page as I share this beautiful platform I'm on. So as I share this today on this beautiful Winning Wednesday, and who wouldn't want this beautiful day? I mean, look at that. The sun is shining. Or you see our mountains over there and the west coast in the background. Yes, indeed. That's all part of life, you know. When you are part of a community, when you see the beauty around you, when you feel the happiness, when you are winning every single day with engagement online on Facebook. You can do it, guys. Pop on over to the webinar tonight. The link to the webinar is on my storyline, but you can private message me as well. I want to see you there. Yes. So thank you, Michelle and Jay, for coming on and saying hello. Merci, my lovely friends. Have an awesome Winning Wednesday yourself. Let's see you on the webinar tonight. It's going to be fun. It's going to be enjoyable. The explanation is amazing. The phenomenal people that are on there, as well as the beautiful, beautiful testimonials. Yes, indeed. I'm one of them too. I love you all, my lovely friends. Have an awesome Winning Wednesday. Talk to you soon. Bye.